H to the O well. Be me, I know well. Usually isn't gonna go well. Oh well, the X should have been the symbol well. But you were gonna end up below hell, below hell. It's your L, isn't it so swell? You can fidget twist and you can go yell. There is no tell, no wait, I won't dwell. Oh wait, I'll go now and leave you with the person named yourself. And hope fell, E, you see your hope fell. Cause in this fantasy, there will be no hell. Regardless of what they might do, even despite who they can try to hold me. They think that they can hold me, but they will never get to hold me. Down, 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 hold me. They think that they can hold me, but I will never let you hold me. Down, 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 down. I was 10 feet under, within a coffin I was locked up in a slumber. All it took was one clap for the thunder, then it just sundered, who would have wondered?